Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're taking SAP Plant Maintenance off the desk and right onto the shop floor. The big problem? Maintenance happens out on the heavy machinery, but SAP is stuck at a boring static desk. This disconnect, it creates a huge operational lag. Honestly, broken machinery just can't wait around for a network connection. So the old way is painfully slow. You find a fault, scribble it down, walk back, and log in. By the time SAP finally updates, it's usually hours after the physical work is completely done. Crazy, right? We call this the maintenance governance gap. It's a massive blind spot that creates serious compliance and operational risks. You'll see paper checklists, informal sign-offs, and an SAP record that's literally always playing catch-up. So how exactly do we bridge this massive governance gap? It's the big question for plant managers everywhere. The fix? A custom SAP Fiori Mobile App built specifically for plant maintenance by the team at CLTech Global. It puts the whole workflow right in the tech's hands. No more workstation dependency, and definitely no double entry. The real game changers are offline capabilities, instant photo capture, and digital sign-offs, all right there on the device. And every single action in the field updates your SAP equipment history in real time, literally zero delays. Plus, it works offline, deep inside the plant, and then automatically syncs the second you get connection back. It's custom-built for asset-heavy operations like manufacturing and utilities, where strict compliance and detailed records are an absolute must. The impact? Way faster turnarounds, bulletproof compliance captured right at the source, and a massively tightened maintenance governance. Just picture a continuous manufacturing plant servicing compressors around the clock. In that world, uptime is absolutely everything. Without this app, history lags behind. With it, orders and photos are captured the exact moment a fault appears. Best of all, it deploys right inside your existing SAP setup. Zero messy third-party middleware is required here. And you can roll out this custom Fiori extension incredibly fast, with absolutely no disruption to live operations. CLTech Global, a Mumbai-based SAP consulting firm, actually designed and executed this entire seamless integration. They're totally transforming how maintenance teams operate, proving those annoying paper-based SAP challenges can definitively be solved